Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take statement questions and solve these by elimination method. First question, if we add 1 to the numerators, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from denominator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. A fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. If we only add 1 to the denominator. 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? What is the fraction? Solution. Let fraction is x over y. According to question, we add 1 to numerator means x plus 1 and subtract 1 from denominator means over y minus 1 we get fraction 1. Cross multiply, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1, then x minus y is equal to minus 1 which will give you x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. This is number 1. And if it becomes half, fraction becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator and x over y plus 1 is half. This will give you 2x is equal to y plus 1 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is second equation. Now we shall solve first and second. You can see that the coefficients of y are already equal. So we need not to multiply by anything. Just we subtract 1 from second. Subtracting equation 1 from equation second. Therefore, 2x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus plus this cancelled. X is equal to 3. X is 3. Then substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 1, we shall get x minus y is equal to minus 2. 1 minus y is equal to minus 2. 1 minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus y is equal to, sorry, the value of x is 3. It is 3. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3. It is minus 5. So y is equal to 5. Fraction is x over y. It is 3 over 5. Second question. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Solution. Let present age of Nuri is x years and present age of Sonu is y years. According to question, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, you know that the present age of Nuri is x. Then 5 years ago it will be x minus 5 is equal to 3 times age of Sonu 5 years ago. Present age of Sonu is y. Up 5 years ago will be y minus 5. 3 into y minus 5. So simplify this. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. X minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is first equation. And 10 years later, 10 years later, present age of Nuri x. After 10 years, it will be x plus 10. Will be twice as old as Sonu. Age of Sonu after 10 years is y plus 10. It will be twice. Twice into y plus 10. So simplify this. X plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is second equation. Now we shall solve first and second equation. You know that the coefficient of x are same. The coefficient of x in the first equation is 1 and the coefficient of x in the second equation is also 1. So we need not to multiply by anything. Just we shall subtract first from second equation. Subtracting equation first from equation second. Subtracting equation first from equation second we get. Second is x minus 2y is equal to 10. First is x minus 3y is equal to, first x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. So subtracting minus plus plus cancelled. So y is equal to 20. Substitute y is equal to 20 in equation 1. So from first equation is x minus 3y is equal to 10 minus 10. Then x minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. X minus 60 is equal to minus 10. X is equal to 60 minus 10 is equal to 50. Therefore, x is 50, y is 20. So that means the present age of Nuri, therefore, present age of Nuri is 50 years and present age of Sonu is 20 years. So that's all. In the next video, we shall take more statement questions. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.